In this video, I'll be sharing 5 reasons why you should buy the ASUS H3 wireless gaming headset. Baka magusto mo tong headset na to. Baka na naman. Alright, first things first, thank you so much ASUS Philippines for sending the H3 wireless headset over. And although they did send me the product to review, this is gonna be a completely honest review about the item. So before we proceed, let's go ahead and check first what comes with the package. We have a user manual, a USB-C charging cable, a USB-C dongle, a USB-C to USB 2.0 adapter, and of course the ASUS H3 wireless headset with a stainless steel headband and yoke. Now that you know what's in the box, let me now share the first reason why you should buy the ASUS H3 wireless headset, and that is obviously it is wireless. And who doesn't love wireless nowadays, right? This headset is powered by a 2.4 GHz USB-C dongle that allows you to use the headset up to 25 meters with no interference and with extremely low latency. And since the headset comes with a USB-C to USB 2.0 adapter, you can use this headset on multiple gaming platforms such as Nintendo Switch, PlayStation 5, computers, and of course your mobile phones. Alright, moving on to the second reason, it is plug and play. Yes, no need to install any drivers whatsoever, just need to plug in the USB dongle and you're good to go. Third reason, very important, sound quality. This headset brags an onboard 7.1 virtual surround sound and an exclusive 50mm ASUS Essence drivers for immersive audio. I've used this headset for several weeks now and man, the quality is just And speaking of quality, the microphone of the ASUS H3 wireless headset is approved and certified by TeamSpeak and Discord. And let me play a voice recording using the ASUS H3 so you can hear how it sounds like in-game. Sound check, test mic 1, 2, 3. This is the sound coming from the ASUS H3 wireless gaming headset. Again, this is a sound coming from the ASUS H3 wireless gaming headset. Okay, moving on to the fourth reason, very important as well, comfort. Personally, I'm not really a huge fan of headsets because I easily get bothered by the weight and the tightness, especially when using it in long hours. So that's one of the things that I checked when the ASUS H3 arrived. And to my surprise, I didn't really find myself complaining about any discomfort even after long hours of usage, maybe because of its lightweight design and the foams that they used on the earphones are also pretty soft. Now to the fifth and final reason why you should buy this wireless headset is its battery life. This brags 15 hours of battery life and the headset has been with me for several weeks now, and let me tell you, I haven't charged this ever since, so that's cool. It would have been way cooler though if the ASUS H3 wireless headset had some sort of battery level indicator so you would know how much battery life you have left and you would know when to charge, but not a deal breaker, so I'm just sharing. So those are the 5 reasons why you should buy the ASUS H3 wireless gaming headset, and if you are interested to get one, as of the recording of this video, it is priced at 3,490 Philippine peso in all ASUS official stores and resellers. You can check out the links in the description box and use the code duekneel10 upon checkout to avail no discount because I don't have a discount code. Alright, I'm gonna end this video right here. Thank you so much again, ASUS Philippines, for this video collaboration. Hoping for another one. And if this video helped you in some ways, please press the like button, share it, subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet. And again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.